then how will you optimize the campaigns? That is the main thing you have to do. Let me log in into some running account so that I can show you the different stats to you as
Okay.
Okay, you might see a lot of campaigns running over here. So you can see a lot of stats. Let me show you some search campaigns. Okay, you can see there is one search campaign which is I'm running right now. If I click on it, it will show you.
Sorry, actually it's on your screen, right?
Yeah, on my screen.
Because your screen is actually blank now. It's just a blank page on your screen.
It is blank completely now, till now.
I can see webcam and Zoom 83%, but other than that, it's a gray box.
No, it is visible to other participants as well.
Oh. Is the go to training? No. This is my AdWords. This is strange.
You have to select go to training and then it will be visible.
Yeah, I'm looking at it, but there's nothing. Do you need me to click on anything? No, right?
No, you don't have to click. Earlier, like I was showing you my screen, it will be in the same way.
Yep. Yep. Maybe can you disable and do it again? Because I'm still seeing a gray screen here on my side. Yep. Yep, I can see the DM training now. Organizers, Akin Nandal.
Now my screen is visible.
Yes, but it's a gray screen. with nothing. I can see go to training viewer and then talking. I'm talking now, but your name will appear when you're talking and the webcams and the Zoom. That's it.
Just give me a second. Let me make you a presenter again. Let me see
Okay.
your screen is visible to me. Make your screen live. Yeah, your screen is visible to me.
Yep. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see your screen, your AdWords.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was telling how to optimize and how to check whether your campaigns are performing good or not. Okay, once you make the campaigns, your campaigns will be live and it will take some time to okay. So I was telling you how to look into the campaigns, whether they are working good or not, and whether your performance is up or not. How to do that? Let's search. Let's look first into the search campaign. We have the search campaign. I have made this search campaign, which is getting approximately 7,000 impressions in a week. Okay, till now, like in this whole week, and it got 107 clicks. CTR is 0.159 and the cost per click is 61, and I've spent around 6,000 rupees on it. Okay, if I look into it and click on it, it will show all the ad groups which are active. Okay, I have been working on the 4 ad groups which has this much number of click amounts and they are getting clicked. So if you can see, I got around 310 102 clicks on Indian jewelry and around 7 clicks on the rest of them. And what is the cost? My average position. If you can see, my average position is 1.41, 1.21. You can see when somebody is searching me, I'm always on the top position. I'm always on the top position. And I have converted 2 people from this. conversion tracking I have not enabled much, but conversion is happening on it, so you can check it. And if I want to look which keywords are getting the most click, and I click on it, it shows me all the keywords, okay, how much cost I am paying, and you can see the quality score which we were talking about earlier. Remember?
Yep.
Okay, so you can check out the quality score of each and every keyword over here. As you can see, I made this campaign, you see the quality score is above 10, is on 10. Okay.
Yep.
How to do that? It's the same thing which I have just told you. The same thing you have to do to make the quality score as 10. You can see all the next keywords have 10. How to do it is, let me take you to the guide for that.
Okay.
Okay, so here are the few tips which I have designed so that you get the quality score as 10. Okay, first thing is add a keyword in the headline and the ad body. Remember, headline, in the ad we have headline and description line 1 and description line 2. So you have to add the keyword into the ad headline first and in the description line either 1 or 2, so that you have a high relevance of ad towards the keyword. Second is high relevance of the landing page. Okay, the page which you are giving to the user, when he clicks on the ad, he will reach to one page. So you have to give a high relevance page. How you can make a high relevant page is keyword density. Increase keyword density. What is keyword density is when you go on the page. If I look into the ads, okay,
Yep.
few ads in it. If I click on it, I have given the name as, not this one. If you look at this ad, I have given the page as sunu.com/Indian jewelry. If I open this one page, you can see this page contains lot of time Indian jewelry as a word. Oh, sorry, I have copied the wrong. Okay, if you look at in this particular page, you will see Indian jewelry necklaces is coming so many times in this page, so it looks like a perfect landing page for this particular ad group. And moreover, you have to add this keyword lot of time in this particular page. The keyword density should be around 1 to 3%. What exactly keyword density, how we calculate is, we cannot calculate manually. We have to calculate with the help of tool. That is, tool name is tools.seochat.com. Okay, if you go on this particular tool, it has one option, that is keyword density. Okay, page keyword density analysis, you have to just click on it. Okay, as you have to enter the URL, I have just entered the URL, traditional pieces, and if I go on check it, the keyword density, my phrases like, if you look at Indian, where is Indian jewelry? You look at Indian is coming 3 times, which is the most number of times the page should contain, because it contains only 222 words into it. Okay, there are 222 words, 222 words. Out of them, Indian is coming 3 times and jewelry is coming around, let me check. It is not showing the jewelry. Okay, it must be containing it in the form of necklaces, earring and all. Okay, so if you go into much detail of this page, so you will find that the term Indian jewelry will be coming a lot of more times in comparison to the normal page. So this page must be containing the Indian jewelry as a term, or the keyword density of this is more than 3 times at least, or 3.
Okay.
Next is optimize URL and title of the page. What is optimized URL is, if you look at the URL, I contain Indian traditional, Indian as a word in the URL. Like if you open your pages, okay, if I click on it, let's suppose, you see you have defined the page name. Okay, the same way I have written it over here in this Indian, the keyword should come in the URL. Okay, in the destination page URL, the term, the keywords which you are using for optimization of the page should come in the URL. Okay.
So URL means you have to have the page URL in the keywords, right?
In the page URL, you have to contain the keyword. Like my keyword was Indian, so Indian keyword is coming in the page URL. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, the next thing is
title
of the page. What is the title of the page? How you can know about title of the page? You have to just press Ctrl U. That will open the code of it. Then press Ctrl F and write title. Okay, and if I zoom more on it, you can see the title: Indian necklaces, jewelry, pendants, and everything into it. Okay, so my keyword is coming in the title of this particular page. Get it? Johanna, are you getting it?
Sorry, I think I'm losing a bit of your voice. Sorry, can you explain that again?
Yeah, I'm also getting a disturbance in the voice as well. I'm telling you once that what is the title of the page, we will be getting more in detail in SEO, but for the time being, if you open the coding of this page and if you look at the title, Control F and find the title, you can see the keyword. The keyword should come in the title of the page.
Okay.
Okay. So that is another one thing which you require for optimizing of the page. Then optimize meta description and meta tags. What is meta description? If you again search in it, this is the meta description. Here
it's the headline, right?
You what?
The title headline, right?
Yes, the title and the meta description. Both of them should contain the keyword.
Okay.
Okay. In title you can contain it one time, but in description you have to contain it at least 2 times, the keyword. Okay.
Okay.
You have to ask your developers to do it. You don't have to indulge into such activities where the developer, you have to tell them that while writing the meta description, you have to add these keywords for whichever page you are optimizing for. Okay, then improve the loading time of the page, and I have already told you it should not be greater than at any cost 3 to 5 seconds at any cost. Okay, that's why our landing pages, if you see this page loading time, like the one I have shown you in the morning as well.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to have a great page loading time. It will take few seconds to load. Like in the morning I have shown you the page loading time should be low. You can see the page loading time is 1.41 seconds.
1 second. Wow. That's very fast loading time.
That should be because it's an e-commerce site,
Yep.
and still you can
So
see
is this site actually,
huge
is
number.
this site actually wrong?
That is a self-customized code website.
Sorry?
It is a self-customized code website. You have to do coding on your own. We have developers who have coded it up without WordPress. Then
Okay.
the website is more speedy in comparison to WordPress. And you can see even there are more than 20 images on this page, and still the loading time is quite fast. That you always work on as fast as possible. Okay, you can go for a customized code solution for that instead of running a website on WordPress. Okay, the next thing is to improve tips for improving the CTR. There are few tips which I have given you. In the landing page, you have to improve the keyword density, then the URL, title of the page, meta description, and the loading time, and make the ads relevant by including the keyword in the headline and the body of the ad.
Yep.
After that, whenever you are writing an ad, in the body of the ad, you write call to action button. What exactly it means here is you cannot give the link over there in the body because it's a non-clickable text. You can give like the way we have written, get a free internet radio access. Okay, this is a kind of a click to action button where you're defining what action user has to take. So that if you include, it will improve the campaign ranking. Apart from that, use display URL to your benefits, like the way we write the display URL. If you remember the ads we have written.
Sorry, Jatin, can you go back to one slide before the
Yeah, sure.
keyword density? Can you explain that again, just one more time?
Yeah, sure. I can explain you keyword density one more time. Like if I open one of the pages like dsm.in, if I copy this particular page, okay, let me show you the keyword density. Okay, you can see that the word digital, this page contains around about 1100 words, 1200 words. Out of them digital is coming 20 times. So if you calculate the keyword density, how to calculate is you divide 19 into 100. Okay, the time the keyword is coming into 100 divided by total number of keywords, that is 1182.
80.
Okay, so you see the keyword density is 1.6.
Okay.
Okay,
Why do you times it by 100?
it's a formula.
You took the... okay. Got it.
The time the keyword is coming into 100 divided by the total number of words. So you can calculate for your webs, for each and every page, whichever page you are making, you have to see how many times digital marketing is coming. So if you look in the two word phrases, then this is for one word. If your keyword is a single word, okay, if your keyword is a double word phrase, okay, like digital marketing, then what you have to do is you have to even clear it. Then how many times it is coming? 17 into 2 because it's a two word, okay, into 100, okay, then divided by total number of words
1182.
1182, then you get the keyword density as 2.876.
Can we do an example on Surya, like suryafm.com.my? Will it come out to be something like this?
Yeah, sure. Let's check Surya keyword density. Which words have which density on it? Let's check it. Okay. Okay, you can see if we talk about it is about internet radio. If we are optimizing this page for internet radio, but you don't find internet radio over it. Yes, sir.
Yep. Because this is a lot of Malay words, you see,
Yeah.
in the Malay language. Yep.
If you want
So
to,
Surya still comes out at the top sound.
yeah, Surya is coming 30 times, but the keywords which we are using in our campaign was internet radio, okay, or digital radio, but that keyword is not on the page. Okay, so you have to design
Yeah,
a new
internet.
page which contain that keyword so many
Yep.
times, so that your keyword density should be at least 2%.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah. So it's Surya, and then
If it is Surya, then you have 30 times, then you have to calculate
can you
30,
hear me?
100. Okay.
Hello?
Hello? Okay, divided by 637. Hello? Are you able to hear me?
Hello, hello.
Hello?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I suppose your internet is slow a bit because this side is
Hello?
fine. Hello?
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you, but the words are like breaking up.
So what I can do is we will today continue with this topic, okay, till AdWords search campaign, and tomorrow try to have a better internet connectivity so that we can continue the class in the way we are doing it in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, for today we will finish off in next 10 or 15 minutes, but from tomorrow
Okay.
try to have a better internet connectivity, and I will check at my end as well. If there is any problem, I will surely rectify it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
I
there,
think it's just on my side. It depends on the number of people in the household who's using the internet. So tomorrow should be better because a lot of them are traveling outstation.
try to do that. It will be better for you
Yeah.
as well as me, because
Yes.
the
Yes.
the fluency of the program gets breakdown every time you. Okay, and try to use the LAN connection instead of the Wi-Fi. That will help you out.
Okay.
Okay.
Can.
So are you clear with keyword density now?
Yes. So all these I can actually work on my own free time just to check on the tools.seochat.com, right? And then I can just work it out on which
You have to
keyword
just
to use.
add those keywords into the page. That's it.
Sorry?
You have to just add the pages, add the keywords into the pages.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next, in the display URL, as I have already told you, if I show you the ads which we have made. Okay, remember we have made the ads.
Yep.
Okay, you can see we have used the word suryafm.com/radio station as my keyword was radio station.
Yep.
Okay, so utilizing the display URL even. Why we are utilizing it, the reason is if you go on Google and type anything buy shoe. Okay. Whichever ad you see in my ad shoe is coming or online is coming or buy is coming, wherever it is there, it becomes bold. Okay, wherever shoe is coming, buy shoe online is coming, it's getting bold. Yes or no? Are you getting my voice?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the reason we have
I can see that.
you
Yeah.
have to utilize the display URL as well. Got it?
Yep. Got it.
That's good. The next thing is Link extension is another way to increase CTR. Okay, the link ad extension we have used is another way to improve the CTR.
CTR.
CTR is click-through rate. Okay.
Yep.
And another way of improving the ads, improving the CTR is make multiple ad copies so that Google can try out various showing various ads to various people so that the most optimized ad gets the more click.
Okay.
Okay. The next thing is we have added the keywords. Okay, we have added the keywords, but all the type of keywords which were there in the campaign, in our campaign, were broad type. What is the meaning of broad type? I'm just explaining you. As you can see, there is no sign. So this type of keywords are known as broad match type of keywords. What exactly broad match type of keyword is? This slide will tell you there are three types of keyword. One is broad match, another is phrase match, third one is exact match. As you can see the example, if I have selected the keyword like buy handbags, this is my keyword which is in the campaign. And if user is searching buy handbags, in the broad match case, my ad will be shown to the user. And if the user even searching buy cheap handbags, then also my ad will be shown to the user. And if still user is searching buy handbags online, still my ad will be shown as my keyword is a broad match. Okay, as my keyword is a broad match keyword. Broad means it covers all the things. If this keyword is coming anywhere, it will show my ad directly.
Okay.
But in the case of phrase match, if you see the phrase is buy handbags. If this word comes together, then only my ad will be shown, otherwise it will not be shown. As you can see, it will, in the first case, buy handbags, it will be visible. In the third case, buy handbags online, it will be visible. But if anything comes in between these two keywords, like buy cheap handbags, my ad won't be shown on it. Clear? Got it or not?
Sorry?
Got it? Phrase match?
If the sequence is same, it will be considered as a phrase match, but if it's disturbed like in
the case, the phrase was disturbed by the term cheap in the second case, if you look at it.
Yep.
Okay, in the third case, which is the exact match, in this case, then you have to have the keyword exactly the same. Okay, you cannot alter the keyword, as buy handbags should be exactly same. So my ad will be shown in the first case, it will not be shown in the second or the third case. Clear?
Yep.
Okay, great. The last thing for today's topic is this one, by different types of keywords. As we have talked about three keywords, there are another type of keyword which is known as broad modifier, which is the subversion of broad match only. How exactly it is worked, like if my keyword was buy handbags, if I write plus sign ahead of buy only, okay, then if somebody is searching purchase handbags, then my ad will be shown. Get handbags, my ad will be shown. It will add all the synonyms. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Yep.
If you write only minus sign ahead of it, then it will remove. Whenever buy or purchase or get will come, my ad will not be shown.
So it will be just on buy, the word buy handbags, right? Just buy itself.
You can write plus sign with buy. If the user is searching purchase, even your ad will be shown. If user is writing get, then your ad even shown. If you do not want to show it on buy terms, then you can write the minus sign.
Got it.
You have to use it. Okay, I suppose you're not getting the voice clearly. Are you getting it?
Yep. Okay.
My voice is clear.
Sorry?
My voice is clear, or should we continue tomorrow? Because if the voice is breaking down, you won't be able to get it everything what I am telling right now.
Again?
I am saying you
Hello?
might not be getting my voice clearly, I hope. I feel. Are you getting my voice clearly, properly?
Yeah. Now, yes.
It doesn't seem like, because there is some problem. There is some voice breaking is happening in between, because I don't feel like.
Yeah. Is it also from your side?
No, it is not from my side. It seems like it is happening at your end only.
Yeah, I think so too.
So we will continue tomorrow, but check out the internet connectivity tomorrow. Okay, there should be no problem with the internet connectivity. For today, we are calling off the session. Tomorrow we will start sharp in the morning 9 at according to your time.
Okay, is it 9 or 9:30 so that I'll
Tomorrow
be
it will be
ready? At 9, right?
9.
Okay, sure. So Jatin, for today is until here, is it?
I didn't get it.
Or for today's lesson, for today's class is until here, is it? Until keywords, right? Or there's still more to go?
Yes. It is AdWords only.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, I'm sharing this PPT with you as well.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. So I can also read it on my own time. If I have any question, I can ask you
Yeah, sure.
tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. I'm sharing. Just hold on for a few seconds.
Okay, are you emailing to me or?
I can share it with let me share it through. Let me share
Oh, okay.
this one if I can. I will email you up. That is not a problem. I'm just emailing in the next 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. As long as it's not a huge file, then yeah, I'm sure my email can accept.
Yeah, surely. I will mail you up. Okay. That is it for today, and we will be meeting sharp at 9 tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Jatin.
It's a pleasure to have you for training. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi, Johanna. Hello.
Hello. Morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Hello.
Hello.
Good, thanks. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you up. Are you able to hear me up?
Sorry?
Just give me a second.
Yes.
Can you hear me up now? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
It's clear, everything now? My screen is visible to you?
Yep.
Okay, that's great. So let's start the training.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay. So yesterday we have created the search campaigns. Okay. And we were talking about those ad strategies, how you can improve and optimize it. Okay. So today we are going to work on the campaign level optimization, because due to low internet connectivity we are unable to complete the topic. So let's complete it. It will not take next 10 more minutes to do that. Okay, for campaign level optimization, you have to see easy navigation on the page. I have already told you, fast loading time, clear copy means the ad copy you write, the content should be clear what exactly the user is going to get. Clear CTA means what action he has to take and what he will be getting. Okay, optimize sales funnel. This is very important. What is optimized sales funnel is something where you define how the process will go on. Like wherever you have given the link, like streaming link, you can before that give a link like how you can get the email ID of that person. Okay, while streaming, you can stream only after giving the details. So that could be one of the sales funnel which you can define in your case. Recommended option if valid.
Okay.
Okay, and try to keep a group of 10 keywords with 10 to 15 advertisements.
Okay.
Okay, so a single keyword has multiple ads, so that it will be more optimized and result into a better ad relevance. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Then you can see the customization in the column as well, how you can check out the company stats of a campaign. Yesterday I have just shown you, I am showing it again. Okay, if you can see my campaign, if I open my campaign, that is the search campaign.
Yep.
If I click on it, you can see a lot of options over here. How you might be getting these options or not. How you can add options, these option is you have to go into columns and click on modify columns. So you can see a lot of other things over here which you can add, like how many conversions are happening on it, how many clicks per assistant conversion you are getting, social metrics, whether you are getting plus sign or not, call details, how many call impressions you are getting. If I click on it, phone calls, how many phone calls I am receiving in the whole day, how many search search impression I am losing due to my low rank. I can see that even display rank, why I am losing. Attributes, bits, what will be my bit strategy, or what is my right now performance, how many impressions I'm missing, how many times I have changed the status, how the status is changing, how many people click on Gmail ads, okay, or how many viewers you are getting, or any custom column you want, you can make that as well. So when you define these, you have to just save it. Okay, you can see I am getting 31 phone impressions, and how many impressions I am losing, that is pretty clear, not a single one.
Okay.
Okay, that defines how many impressions you are missing, because if you are missing a lot of impressions, then you need to get more and more impressions. If your budget is not getting exhausted in the whole day, so you have to look forward towards it. So this is about a bit of optimization you have to look forward to, and how your campaign is running, how the performance of the campaign is. You can add n number of columns into it. The columns I have shown you, and here are the few columns. The quality score I have already, the quality score I have yesterday already told you. The quality score is of keywords, not the campaign. Okay, if you go in ad groups, click on the ad group. Okay, you see the quality score is of each and every keyword. So you have to check whether you are getting a good quality score or not. If you are not getting it, then try to improve. Let me show you some of the bad quality score, which is 8. You can see ad relevance is quite high, expected CTR is high, but the landing page relevance is, experience is average. So what you have to do is, you have to check those things, whether your page loading time is good or not, whether keyword density is good or not. Okay, and if it is right, then if it is not right, that's why it is coming an average. So you just improve on it. Once you improve on it, it will improve from average to above average. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
This is about that. More things, more detail, which is very important nowadays, is search term. What exactly the user is searching, because these are phrase match kind of keywords. Do you remember phrase match?
Yep.
Okay, so if you click on search terms, you have to first select all the terms which you want to check. Okay, and then click on search terms. Now you can see how many people are searching different terms, like Indian gold jewelry store, and we do not sell gold jewelry at all. So what I can do is, I can mark this term as a negative term. So next time if somebody search like this, I should miss out this impression, or I should not get a click out of it. So I can mark it as negative at the campaign level, because we do not sell it at any cost.
I see. Okay.
Okay, this is how we optimize. Indian silver jewelry we sell, bridal jewelry we sell. So we are getting a good number of impressions. We have to see, you can see the average position even is 1 with each and every keyword. Where to buy Indian jewelry online, you can see 1 click. I'm paying a good amount on that. So if any keyword you find is not up to the mark, okay, if you find any of the keyword, like I find the gold jewelry and we do not sell it, you can mark it as negative, so that your ad will not shown be on this particular keyword. Or if you want to add any word as a negative keyword, you can add it at the campaign level. You have to just click on the campaign.
Okay.
Go into the normal keywords. You click on negative keywords. Okay, you can see this way I have added a lot of negative keywords, because these are the one which I do not sell. Okay, these kind of jewelries I do not sell right now, so I marked all the words as negative words, like which contain golds. So you want to add it, you can add it here at the campaign level, or at the ad group level. You just click and write the word gold. Okay, and you can add it. You can go for phrase match or exact match, it depends upon. Okay, that is search campaign optimization. This completes the search engine marketing. Okay,